How's it going, everybody? Hey, do you have a Ferris stand-on Z2 or Z3 and your PTO isn't turning on? It may not be the clutch and it might not be the wiring. It may be a bad module. Let me show you. This purple wire and clip right here, that's your PTO fuse. If you've checked and you do not have a blown fuse, and you've also checked and made sure that you're getting 12 volts when the key on from this to your switch, and you have power to the switch but you're not getting power from the switch down to the clutch, you might have a bad module. The module looks just like this. It's 5 pins. There is the part number right there. Make sure you double check the wiring first before you just start throwing parts at it, but that might be your problem. Thanks for watching.